Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed what women empowerment is. Today we'll discuss some of the women welfare schemes started by Government of India. Many government schemes for the welfare of women have been implemented since 1980. These include establishment of National Commission for Women in the year 1992, setting up a separate Department of Women and Child Welfare in 1985. In 1992, to provide 33% reservation of seats for women in the local self-government. Enactment of National Policy of Empowerment of Women in 2001. Undertaking programs of capacity building, employment, income generation, welfare and supportive services, gender equality and sanitation for women, celebration of the year 2002 as Women's Empowerment Year, enacting laws to provide equal share in the family property for women. Establishment of family courts and women welfare centers, enacting Domestic Violence Act in 2005 to protect women from physical violence and mental torture, making laws related to prevention of dowry more stringent, raising minimum marriageable age for women to 18 years. These are the few welfare schemes started by Government of India for the women's welfare. Here are the few steps taken to stop women's exploitation. For the security of the women, Abhyam Women Helpline has been started in Gujarat for helping women suffering from various types of violence. It is meant to provide them security as well as guidance about development schemes for women. Now let's discuss various schemes of Gujarat government for providing equality to women. Among first is school entrance. The government of Gujarat has started the following schemes to elevate the status of women to ensure equality to women and for empowerment of women. Education, realizing the role of education in raising the status of women, the following schemes have been implemented. School entrance ceremony and chariot festival to encourage girls' education. Vidya Lakshmi bond to women living below poverty line in the urban areas and villages having less than 35% literacy. Saraswati Sadhana Yojana to provide free bicycle to 1.5 lakh girls per annum and free ST bus pass to girls who are required to go outside their village for education. Sabla Yojana provide nutritious food and skill training to adolescent girls. Next is employment. Gujarat government has reserved 33% jobs in the government services for women. Mission Mangalam Yojana provides financial help to Sakhi Mandal self-help groups of women to make them self-reliant. Third, political empowerment. Gujarat government has raised the quantum of reserved seats for women in the local self-government from 33% to 50%. Fourth, women's welfare. Pension is provided to destitute widows and laborers under the Rashtriya Swavalamban Yojana. There are some other programs like Beti Bachao Abhiyan has been started with the slogan Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and Beti Vadhao. E-Mamta program provides financial help and health services to the pregnant women. Chiranjeevi Yojana provides medical services free of cost to pregnant women belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Department of Women and Child Welfare has started in 2001 to implement schemes related to welfare of women and children. Dear students, revise the chapter and write all the answers of the questions given in your textbook exercise. Thank you.